For this lesson, we are going to talk about the prologue to William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Let's look at this prologue as a poem.
Romeo and Juliet, Prologue. Two households, both alike in dignity, in fair Verona, where we lay our scene. From ancient grudge break to new mutiny, where civil blood makes civil hands unclean. From forth the fatal loins of these two foes, a pair of star-crossed lovers take their life, whose misadventured, piteous o'erthrows do with their death bury their parents' strife. The fearful passage of their death-marked love and the continuance of their parents' rage, which but their children's end naught could remove, is now the 2 hours' traffic of our stage, the which if you with patient ears attend, what here shall miss, our toil shall strive to mend.
First, let's look at the meter of this poem by rereading the first 2 lines. Two house holds both alike in dignity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just counted off patterns of unstressed and stressed syllables called iambs. Let's look at the second line. In fair, Verona, nowhere, we lay our scene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 iambs. And this pattern of 5 iambs in a line is called iambic pentameter. So this pattern of 5 unstressed and stressed syllables is known as iambic pentameter. Notice the prefix of pentameter. The prefix of pentameter is penta, meaning 5. Think of a pentagon that is a 5-sided figure.
Part of the requirements for a Shakespearean sonnet is that it has the 10 syllables per line, as Mr. Usher said, but it also is 14 lines with this rhyme pattern. It's A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, G, G. And if you look at the word dignity, it does not rhyme with the word scene. So then you have to give it the letter A, because dignity and mutiny rhyme with each other. But scene and mutiny do not rhyme with each other, so you give it a different letter. And that follows that pattern all the way through. So this is the pattern for a Shakespearean sonnet. If you look at the end, G and G, these 2 lines rhyme together, and this is called a couplet. So there are a couple of lines that rhyme with each other, end rhyme, attend and mend. Also, in a Shakespearean sonnet, it is devised of 3 quatrains. Okay, this is the first quatrain, these first group of 4 lines. That's quatrain number 1. Okay, and there's quatrain number 2, which is the next set of 4 lines, and then number 3, the next set of 4 lines. In these 3 quatrains, usually it sets up a situation or a problem or something that causes concern. And in the conclusion, the last 2 lines, the rhyming couplet, you get your resolution, an answer, some type of problem solution, or just his statement of emotion or feeling.
2 things for tomorrow's class. First, answer the following questions. How many lines are there in a sonnet? What is the rhyme scheme of a Shakespearean sonnet? And what is iambic pentameter? Second, read and annotate the prologue and be prepared to discuss what Shakespeare reveals to the audience in the prologue. This video was created by Mr. William Usher, Mrs. Holly Mays, and Ms. Cynthia Klasky, teachers at Haddonfield Memorial High School in Haddonfield, New Jersey.